Wondering if, as a business owner, you should be bothered creating content for your Instagram stories in 2022? Well, I'm going to not only answer that question, but hopefully you'll be pretty relieved once I'm done. Trust me, if you're stuck when it comes to Instagram story-based content marketing, then this video is expressly for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and today I'm going to answer this question: should businesses use Instagram stories? But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you could do more business. Okay, I've got the short answer and then a nice chaser when it comes to advice, so stay tuned until the end. All right, here we go. Yes, you should. Oh, there's a guaranteed reason why you should. But first, you don't have to go crazy with like 10 or 20 pieces of Instagram story content a day, I promise you. But hey, 85% of Instagram users devour 90 to 100% of all Instagram story content available to them, and over 80% can have their purchasing decisions influenced by Instagram story content alone. When in Rome, you do what the Romans do. And when on Instagram, even as a business account, even as a brand, you should create Instagram story content. And even more importantly, Instagram did away with the swipe up feature and replaced it with the link sticker feature or option for Instagram story content. And as long as your account type is that of a business account, then you can add a link sticker to every piece of Instagram story content you create. Do you have a course people should buy? Create a piece of Instagram story content and link to the sales page or the free webinar you want users to consume up front, or what have you. Do you have physical products people should buy? Again, create a piece of Instagram story content and link to the sales page for whatever product you're spotlighting in that piece of Instagram story content. Put out a YouTube video? Same thing. Put out a podcast? Same thing. You get the idea. Now, you may be like, hey, Stacey, now I have more content to create. As an entrepreneur, I was almost hoping you'd tell me no, not to bother. Now I'm intrigued with this link sticker option, but how am I going to create a big old Instagram story every single day? Well, here's the part where you'll be relieved. Less is more with Instagram stories. What I mean is the days of doing Instagram story content so that your story has like 10 or 20 pieces of content in it is over. People fatigue at well over 10 pieces of content. You could simply create one piece of Instagram story content a day. Remember, this stuff disappears after 24 hours, so save it into an Instagram highlight if you want to keep it around on your account. What I generally tell my paid students is if you can do more than one piece of Instagram story content a day, try for like one around every mealtime for 3 maybe a day. People love to see the business owner's life behind the scenes. They like to get to know you as a person. Millennials are 70% more likely to buy from your small business if they feel that they get to know you personally. So sure, show behind the scenes material in Instagram story content. Tout assets like a new YouTube video or spotlight a product. But showing your account followers that you're a real live awesome human being too, well, don't underestimate the power of such material. Just be very quick and relaxed about creating and sharing Instagram story content, and it won't get overwhelming for you, say as a solopreneur, to cover a daily base of Instagram story content being published to your business account. No sweat. So, if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing the trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 reasons why you're viewed as a fake guru and how to gain credibility and customers instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer to the question of, should businesses use Instagram stories? Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies too.